kulang natin hindi. Kasi we always go to the last end of day, di ba? End of election day counting. But if you have real-time data analysis, the moment one voter in Tuigaraw casts his vote, updated dapat na dyan. Another voter in Mindanao casts his vote. Automatic na makikita mo dapat, oh, ito, voter ito ni Ferdinand Marcos, ito, voter ito ni Lenny Robredo. Pero kung parang counter or voter. Okay? Nakikita mo dapat palagi ang na-update. Para walang bulagaan, di ba? Kaya hindi naman kasi tayo bulaga, di ba? It's showtime tayo. Right? Mobile voting technologies, okay? In the future, everybody will be using their cell phone.
Wow,
okay? In Estonia, a small state, no? In Europe, they are using mobile voting technology. Bakit nagagawa nila yun? Eh kasi mababait ang tao doon, walang dadaya. But what do we really need to address? Yung bang technology? Sa lahat ng mga focus group discussion na na-attendan ko, no? By the way, during the last year, we were conducting focus group discussions in sa commission election. Si Pastor Jojo Bantay, nakita ko nandun. We signed. Pinirmahan mo doon, Pastor Jojo? Eh, kumakain mamaya ka ng salita. Sige. Ano ba talaga ang problema natin? Problema ba natin, Smartmatic? Problema ba natin because bakit nanalo ang isang incheck sa Bambantarlac? Why do we have a mayor who owns a Pogo establishment? No scholastic records, no medical records, no everything. She doesn't even know the place she was born. Bakit nangyari yung ganun? Oh. She went to Banban only in 2021. She registered there as a voter. Then she filed her candidacy. And then in 2022, she was elected as mayor. Alam nyo ang nakunang niya? No? Ang ganda ng numbers eh, no? Si Mayor Guo, she got 16,503 votes. 16,503, no? Yung next na nandoon, na merong political plan and machinery, 16,305. Tataka ako sa play of numbers, no? Eh, bakit kasi gano'n ng Smartmatic? Babaguhin mo na lang yung numbers, hindi pa maganda. Diba? Imagine yun. Sorry? Anyway, so what do we really need to address? Vote buying. Okay? Vote buying. Okay? 80% of the Filipinos, ito from Statistica.com, no? 2024 survey, 80% of the Filipinos said they are aware of it and they will accept it. Okay? Only 20% said no. We will not sell our votes. Yung iba naman, doon sa 80%, yes, we will accept the money, even though we are not sure whether we will vote for them. Okay? Siguro nanood sila ng altered carbon na palagi sinasabi. Get what is offered. Tama rin naman, diba? Get what is offered. Do not refuse. Pero, hindi na nga lang. Boboto ka o hindi. Right? Another thing that we need to address is misinformation and disinformation. Ito yung source ko ng Politico.eu. Okay? Sabi niya, disinformation has become the single biggest threat to electoral integrity. Bakit? It will be so easy now for both sides, you know? Yung candidates themselves, okay?